Hello everyone, today we'll integrate DeepSeek to our VS Code. By the end of this video, you'll be able to cancel your $200 ChatGPT subscription and you can use DeepSeek to our VS Code without costing any money, guys. First of all, you have to go ahead and try to open up your VS Code. As you can see here, I have a simple project. After that, you have to go extension and click here continue and code style code extension. You can type here, then you'll get this extension. And after that, what you have to do, you just need to install. I have done this installation. If you take a look, available feature inside this extension, you can see here chat makes it easy to ask for help from an LLM without needing to leave the IDE. You can ask anything, and autocomplete you can see here. Also you can edit convenient way to modify code and without leaving your current file. You can edit from your current file, and you can see here the actions are shortcut for common use case. There you go. This for feature is there. After install, what you have to do, you can see here the icon. So you just need to click here icon. After that, you can see here the quick start based local, and you just need to click here settings for better edit. You can see here settings, you can see here models. You don't see this thing because I have added here title DeepSeek R1 and model DeepSeek R1 and provider. What I have done here, to run this thing locally, you need to install something which is Ollama. If you search here Ollama, then you will get it. So here is Ollama. You can install locally. As you can see, you have to download Ollama. I have already done. After download, what you have to do, you just need to go ahead and try to install one model. There you go. Here is the DeepSeek R1 model, guys. So to do this thing, what you have to do, you can select here 1.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, and according to your PC configuration, you just need to install. So for example, I just need to install 7 billion. Then what you have to do, inside your terminal, if you paste it over here and if you hit enter, as you can see, it will install to your PC, right? After installation, how you can check? You can check here Ollama and you can say list. There you go. Then you will see here the name, and here is the DeepSeek on 1.5 billion. So I have installed this one. So size you can see here. So 11 days ago I have installed. If you want to install this 7B, then you can do this thing. I would recommend use this thing. If your PC configuration is low, then you can use 1.5 billion. That will be easy, and it can run without any internet. You can check here all available command. For example, you can say Ollama help. There you go. You can see available command. You can serve, create, show, run, stop, and this way you can stop all your model. After that, what you have to do, you just need to add here title DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion since you have installed locally, and model that's gonna be DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion, and provider that's gonna be Ollama. What you have to do, most important, guys. So if I Ollama help, as you can see, if I stop here, you need to start by adding here. So you can say start Ollama. By adding this command, your server will be start. If you want to stop, you can stop this thing. So if you don't add this start command, then it will not work. So after that, what you have to do, you just need to add this thing here, and on tab autocomplete model, you can add here title model and provider. Same thing, you can copy and paste. After that, let's go ahead and type. As you can see here is added DeepSeek R1.5. If you want to add another model, let's say for OpenAI, you can add this thing. You can see there's a lot of model, Anthropic, Moonshot, and Google. There is a lot of model you can add, and here is the ChatGPT 4o. And since we are using local model, so we just need to follow this config instruction. All right, now let's go ahead and try to check. If I say here, as you can see here, I have select DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion. Then if I say hi, then he will respond. There we go. Let's see. You can see, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's go ahead and try to give some text to this extension. here is my code. Let's see. We can copy, and here we can text here. Can you explain? You can see, guys, it's thinking. You can see, of course. Let me break down the code for you. So there you go, and he explained me everything, right? So you can say add function, and you can see here he giving me response, guys. And you can see here the suggestion, and you can follow. So yeah, and you can see add to chat CTRL. There you go. So, and here is added to chat, guys, and we can explain here, and he give me suggestion, right? So this way we can explain thing very easily, and you can easily cancel your 200 subscription. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe.